Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics ready. Update your Ps4 system software and confirm the console model supports HDR. Once done, connect a high-speed HDMI cable from the Ps4 to a TV HDMI port labeled for HDR or ARC. Make sure the TV's HDR mode is enabled and any aggressive image processing is off so the console can send an unmodified signal. This prevents the TV from blocking HDR metadata before we change the Ps4 output settings. Now on the Ps4, go to Settings, then Sound and Screen, and choose Video Output Settings. Select HDR and set it to Automatic so the console negotiates HDR10 with the TV. Do the same for Deep Color Output. Check the resolution is 2160p or the highest supported, and match the RGB/full range recommendation of your TV. This step forces the Ps4 to send HDR metadata. If both devices support it, colors and contrast will switch to HDR without further input from you. Finish by running an HDR-capable game or demo to verify the signal. You should notice deeper blacks and brighter highlights. If the image is blank, flickering, or washed out, power cycle both devices, try a different high-speed HDMI port or cable, and ensure the TV's HDMI input is explicitly set to accept HDR. If problems persist, boot the Ps4 in safe mode and restore default video settings to clear any misconfiguration. This often resolves handshake failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.